What's up? This is SynClaiR. One of the things instilled in us by those in the generation before us as a sign of manhood was knowing how to tie a tie. And this is something, that's been taught to me since my youth. So, what a lot of young black men need to know how to do is tie a tie. And this is a symbol of masculinity, okay? That the previous generation had that we must maintain. So here it is. Okay. So here's my tying tutorial. Okay. Now the large part you're gonna have on the left side of your body. The thin part you have on the right side of your body, right? Okay. So what you do is you take the large part, put it over, right? Put your thumb right here, hold the large part, then turn it over your thumb, turn it over this way, right? And then hold it with your index finger. Okay, hold it down like that. Okay, then you would take this, loop it up. Yeah, loop it up. All right, and then you would take your index finger, put it underneath so you can grab it. So, and you would take the large part and you would slip it into here, slip it to the front, slip it into the bow, and then there you have it. And you can adjust it any way you like to get that more triangular shape, that inverted triangle. Pull it right here and then adjust it as you wish. Okay, and you also want to make sure that this part's not longer than the large part. The thin part's not longer than the fat part, and you will insert it into this tag right here, so that way it holds it down. So yeah, that's how you tie a tie. This is what symbolized the manhood. Okay, this is what separated the boys from the men. And black men of the past have all mastered this art, and this should be passed down to those after us. So here it is. So here it is. That's how you tie a necktie. Okay. And I'm thankful to my late uncles, especially Uncle Joe Hawkins, Thomas Joe Lewis Hawkins, for instilling this into us, and also the other brothers who I knew from back in the day. So I'm SynClaiR. Take care. Have a good night.